I'm rolling. Not literally. Bonsoir. Icelandic cold. Sounds like there's sand inside my drone. Oh. At the moment there's like a never-ending line of cars. That means that I will be standing here freezing. But anyways, technologically speaking, using cow fiber. It's not what I wanted to talk about. No, I actually wanted to say, hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from Tom's Tech Time. You always have to take... Whoa! The wind in Iceland. The wind in Iceland. Ooh, there are some fancy birds. Okay, I'm gonna try to again go back to that corner.
Okay. Don't have to smile.
No, it's face recognition.
Oh.
I'm watching soccer here on the side, and actually it's so interesting, this game. It's really hard not to look at the screen the whole time.
tomstechtime.com/Mavic Air. No, wrong.
It's so loud here. I cannot take this any further. It sucks.
Now the sun is coming up and ruins this shot of mine. What a bummer. In Iceland you can always feel famous because when you're standing at the side of the street like me right now, everyone points their camera at you and takes photos until you notice that you're standing in front of a very spectacular surrounding and they're taking photos of the glacier and not of you. Oh, my ears start to hurt. I have to check if my glasses are straight because I recently broke them, unfortunately. Sirens. Hope it's not the cops for me. I'm a sucker for the cold. Da, 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 da. Right now, I am up. Let's wait until these guys with their Dacia Duster are gone.
Dacia Duster. That's my voice.